Welcome back, parents. Thanks for joining us again this week. My name is Katie McCauley, and I am one of Upper Darby's instructional coaches. This week, we are talking about the importance of choosing just the right book when you read. So as you know, our children are working in the classroom every day, reading with teachers, reading with friends and partners, and also reading independently. And when students are reading independently and self-selecting books, we want to make sure that they are choosing books that are at an appropriate level for them. So one way to kind of go about this would be to have your child look at a bunch of different titles and covers and pick out some things that look interesting to them. Once they've narrowed down the types of books that they want to look at, they can open one of those books up to any random page and use what we call the 5-finger rule. So the way that this works is your student will read an entire page from beginning to end. And as they read, they're going to keep track of how many words are unfamiliar to them or that they simply do not know. If they find that as they read, there's anywhere from 1 to 3 words that are unfamiliar, then this is probably just the right fit for them. If there's about 4 words that are unfamiliar on the page, it may be a bit of a stretch, but your child may still want to try it. But if your child reaches 5 or more words on a page, they probably should be looking for a new title. This would mean that the book itself may be a little bit above level and a little bit more difficult for them to read independently. They can practice this over and over again on a couple of different pages if they really want to make sure that this is the best book for them. So this is just one rule of thumb for how we can go about self-selecting text when we independently read. I hope you encourage your child at home to pick up some books and start reading.